Firstly, do you know humans are the only species that can imagine things that doesn't even exist? It's all thanks to our imagination.
That's surprising. Also, humans are the only animals that cook food. No lion is out there saying, let's grill this zebra for dinner.
Quite funny. Here's another fun one. We are the only creatures that gets goosebumps when listening to a beautiful song.
Really? And you know what? It's time to test that fun fact right now.
Oh, great idea! Audience, get ready to feel those goosebumps. Here's a song that will definitely do the trick.
About emotions, here's a poem by R.J. Vidhi that sums up what makes us human. What makes us human? The tears we cry, the dreams we chase, the reasons we try, the love we give, the hope we share, the courage to rise when life feels unfair. It's in our hearts, so wise, so true, in every I'm sorry and every thank you. What makes us human, it's clear to see, it's the beauty of our humanity. Well said, R.J. Vidhi. It's these emotions and dreams that makes us human.
Archie Rakhi, I still don't completely understand what does it really mean to live by the principle of humanity.
No worries, R.J. Ritika. Let me tell you some real-life stories of Indians who sacrificed their life to save their comrades and the country.
Neerja Bhanot, who gave her life saving passengers during the Pan Am Flight 73 hijacking. She could have saved herself, but she chose to protect others.
Guys, let's not forget Sonu Sood, who became a real-life superhero during COVID-19 pandemic, helping many sufferers.
These stories remind us that being human isn't about living for yourself. It's about courage, sacrifice, and uplifting others.
Okay. That's enough of all this heavy and serious stuff. It's time for a breather. It's time to sprinkle some fun. What say, Ajabidhi?
Exactly. Enough being serious. Let's lighten the mood and give our listeners some laugh. All right, listeners, get ready for some epic jokes. And yes, no promises on the quality of these jokes, but we will try.
Okay, let me start first. Why did Maths book look so sad?
Why?
Because it had too many problems.
Well tried, RJ Kritika, but you can't beat me here. Well, guys, answer me. Why did the Scarecrow win an award?
Why?
Because it was outstanding on his field.
Good try, RJ Rajnandini. Well, RJ Vidhi, would you like to say one? Let me try. Why don't I tell jokes? Why not? Because it might crack up na. Oh, good one, RJ Vidhi.
All right, listeners. Hope we didn't crack you up too much. Let's get back to our unstoppable energy with the next segment. So, after all this, the question remains, what truly makes us human? Is it our brain, our creativity, or our emotions? The answer is simple. It's everything.
It's in the way we rise after every fall.
The way we wipe away our tears, laugh a little louder, and dream a little bigger.
It's in the stories we share, the connections we build, and the love we give.
We are not perfect, but maybe that's the point. And it's said, why to prowl through life when you were born with wings? Being human is about soaring, even when the skies seem dark.
So, audience, judges, friends, let's celebrate what truly makes us human. Let's laugh, cry, dream, and love like never before. Because in this messy, chaotic, and beautiful world. Being human is the greatest gift of all.
Stay human, stay kind, and stay unstoppable.
This is your host, RJ Raj.